Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have some very special guests with me today. This is my sister
Samantha
and my other sister
Cameron,
and they are going to be teaching me a brand new skill. Ladies, what are we doing today?
making slime.
Okay, so let's get right into the video. Okay girls, so what do we do first?
We open the container. Obviously, you open your container. And then the most fun part, the most satisfying part to me.
Get your glue and pour it in the bowl.
How much glue do we put in here?
As much
as you
slime.
want.
As much slime
as you want.
So if you want like a little bit of slime, then you add just a little bit of glue. But if you want like a lot of slime, you add like a lot of glue.
Okay, I want a lot of slime.
Then I add a lot of glue. I don't add that much. Actually, I think I'm gonna use this whole container.
Yeah. Let's just do the whole bottle. It's okay, it's just glue.
Yeah, it's just glue.
Everyone loves glue.
I just
Okay.
kind of like to stir it around by itself because I just think it's so satisfying by itself.
Now we're done with the glue, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
I'll do it.
Are we allowed to do that?
Sure.
Gotta make sure to focus on so it doesn't spill all over the floor. Like glue. I hate you.
What's next?
We add the paint.
Okay.
Or glitter or crunchy beads.
So now you just add whatever you want to add.
Yeah, like add-ons.
We have 4 types of glitter today. We have red and gold chunky glitter. We also have fine pink glitter.
And fine green glitter.
Are we all gonna do a glitter?
Yeah.
What color do y'all want?
I think I'm gonna use
I'm
gold.
gonna add one at the last step when you're finished making your slime.
Okay, so paint first.
Yes.
We have purples, a nice geranium. I can't read.
Just say what color it is.
Red,
Orange.
sunny day yellow,
Orange. Metallic. Black. This kind of greenish color, watercolor. And then we have white. And then we have brown poop.
and
Color.
sky blue. Poop brown. Nice.
Okay, so what color are y'all gonna use?
I'm actually not gonna use paint, so I'm just gonna use glitter.
I'm gonna do this color, this
I'm gonna
green, cool little blue color.
Whoa.
Wow, Sam.
Okay, I guess I'll add in my blue. How much paint do you use?
As much as you, or I'd use like a squirt.
like
and a
this.
half. Maybe not even.
Oh, well, who cares? Not a lot.
Like that.
Not a lot.
Not a lot of this comes off, but I don't want to take out the top because then.
Oh no, that's way too much.
Oh well, you'll just have really blue slime.
Okay, so now you just mix it.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Actually,
yeah.
I think I'm gonna do gold and red to make it like
Show them what you're doing, Sam.
for the new year.
For the new year? It's
For the
February.
new year. It's not February. It is January, hun.
This is dark.
Look at how cool that is, though. Like zoom in on that. Get a close up on that. That is cool.
I have blue.
I have green.
I'll just pour both of them.
Wow,
Yours looks really cool.
that's pretty. I'm
She's spilled the glue, and now she's also spilled the glitter.
Yay me. And now it's on my fingers.
Okay, what color glitter do I want? I think I want the gold.
gonna gold. Mix that in.
This is so pretty. I love this.
Wow, it really is.
Oh no! Oh gosh. What did you?
It's
You
okay.
got
It's fine. It's just a table.
It's fine.
And make sure
There are
to
more
vote in the
tables
comments down below who you think has the best slime.
Oh,
I need so much more glitter.
We are glitter queens right now.
and the slime.
Mine actually looks like Christmassy, even though it's nowhere close to Christmas. Amber Kelly, good job for being alive.
Oh no, red got in there.
Oh god. Okay, alright. I don't know if
This
I
is
like
gonna
it.
be a mess.
Do you want to add more?
Yeah, we need more.
I just want
think I need more gold.
I just
The
want
red
more
is
gold.
very overpowering.
I hope this is gonna turn out really good.
Oh, it will. We are experts.
Sissy,
Okay,
look at
so-
mine. Mine looks like sunshine now. Or
Sunshine.
something. Sunshine.
Hers just
That's
looks like
way
a
too much
Big
glitter.
chunk. You can't even see mine.
Here,
Really.
can you hand me the glitter?
You can't even see the glitter. In
We've
mine.
used almost all the gold glitter.
Just when you
Guys.
love glitter. Sometimes glitter is just all you want.
Wait, so
in
I
life.
tried to pour the...
So now that we have mixed all of our glitter and paint in, it looks like this.
And mine looks
Mine's
like
kind of overly powering with red.
Okay, what is next?
we can use either blue Tide that makes it tinted blue a
Okay.
little bit. You might want to use blue, and then you can use clear Tide that makes it clear after.
Okay, well, I think since mine's already blue, I'm just gonna use the blue. Why don't you do yours first so I can see how much you pour in there?
Oh, I'm using white.
Okay.
So I'll show you how it's done first. So I like to pour mine into the cap. I don't know if you can see that
Yeah.
because it comes out really fast. And I just remember to pour it gradually because if you add too much, it's gonna get too liquidy. If you add too little, it's gonna be too sticky. You just mix that up. The rule we just keep singing is
Just keep mixing, just keep mixing, just keep mixing, mixing, mixing.
That was
that
great.
was on
On
point.
point.
That was amazing.
But you
I poured in the cap first.
pour it in the cap and then pour
You-
it.
You've already become a master.
The student becomes the teacher.
A noob.
Sam! That was rude.
Can you hand me the cap, please? Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa, sissy!
Oh, there's like none left in here.
I'm.
Why are you laughing? It looks like a brain.
Look at mine.
Remember what we said about just keep mixing.
Just keep mixing.
Just
Yeah.
keep mixing.
Just keep mixing, mixing, mixing.
What do? We mix, mix. I love to mix. I love to mix.
Tip number 1. Never ever use baking soda because it just makes it like stiff and you can't even do anything with it.
Can I go ahead and go in with my
Yeah, but it's gonna be
Mine looks like a cocoon.
Oh, that one is so pretty. I think you're gonna win, Sam.
sticky. Yeah.
Vote in the comments. I think I already said this. Vote in the comments. Who you think
did.
has the best slime?
I literally think I'm going to lose so bad.
Just keep mixing, mixing, mixing. It has way too much laundry detergent. It like
No, it
literally
doesn't.
is like.
Don't add any more.
Just keep mixing. If I have to say this again, I'm gonna whoop you.
Mine is nasty. Help me. What do I do? Slime experts.
Here, I'll
See,
help
mine's
you.
Yeah,
turning
please.
brain
I'll help
too.
you.
Oh my
I'll
god.
help you.
This is why I asked them because they have a lot of slime already.
Ooh, this feels weird.
I know. I did something wrong.
No, you didn't.
I think this is the first slime that hasn't activated in this much of time in my world of
Slime.
Oh dear.
There. See? It worked, and you can poke it.
She was right. Just keep mixing.
Shout out to my friend that taught me how to make slime.
me.
It smells really good though.
Whoa.
Why does yours look the best?
'Cause
Mine looks like a
Mine is still really sticky.
Cameron. Will do.
I'm almost close.
And they go like
ASMR.
this. Can y'all see that yet?
Okay.
Now let's decide whose slime ended up the best. Sam's number 1.
I call this White Christmas.
How does hers look so good? Okay, number 2. Cameron's. What do you call yours, Cameron?
Sunshine Daisy.
It is blue, but we're gonna go with Sunshine Daisy. It's fine. We're good. It's all. It is all good. It is fine.
We should should put that in bloopers.
We need to get this back together immediately.
Help us.
We're back. Sorry about
We
that.
solved our
Problem.
big problem.
Now we're gonna judge the slimes and see whose is the best. So Sam's is first. What do you call yours, Sam?
I like to call mine White Christmas because the colors just remind me of Christmas, and obviously it's white and what? Okay, next one.
All right, Cameron.
Mine is called Sunshine Grass Daisy because it's green and it has gold glitter in it, so representing the daisies that are yellow, so yes.
Good. Okay. Now mine is called Silver Lining.
It's ripping.
Yeah, mine sucks.
Let's play some music. Let's satisfy you. Let's go.
All right, you guys, that was so fun.
Yes, it was.
I think, honestly, if I were you, I would vote for Sam's slime. So let us know in the comments below which slime you think turned out the best.
Don't forget to follow her on Snapchat.
And Instagram.
Thanks, guys.
You're welcome.
All right, we will see you on the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Bye.